Hey guys, so I got a cool package in the mail today to address I guess you could say, flaw with the F-150s. Yeah, I mean, if you look at the F-150, everything on this truck is an LED. LED headlights, LED taillights, LED floodlights, LED turn signal lights, even the lights inside are LED. Even this little light is LED. But yet these lights are still incandescent bulb, and they're ugly yellow. I mean, what the fuck, Ford? So today I'm going to show you how to swap those out and get a nice set of LED bulbs in there. So this past week, LASFit sent me a set of their light bulbs for the Raptor to take care of those ugly ass yellow lights. So I'm going to show you guys how to install this. Very simple swap, well worth it. So first, let's check out what we got. And it's a set of their license plate bulbs. These are their LT10 license plate bulbs. And I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to get a set of these. But they look like a pretty high quality bulb. So these are the bulbs themselves. As you can see, it's got some nice contacts here for the actual bulb. I've tried using other cheap bulbs. This is just your generic Chinese bulb. Quality is nowhere near the same. The contact points are pretty shitty. This one's got a little bit more LEDs, but I can tell you these are not that bright. And the LASFit ones just looks like a nicer build, right? It's all integrated. It's larger contact points. This just looks like a nicer setup. Another thing I want to point out to you guys. So this one right here is a T10 designed specifically for the F-150s. And it's about the same size as a stock one. This one right here is just a generic T10. It's a little bit longer. This one don't fit in the truck. Every time I put these in, it ends up touching the very top. So let's go ahead and get these installed. Basically, we need to get to that right there. And there's one on each side. Just go in there and you twist. And here's the bulb. Quick test to make sure it works. I like that. Super bright. Fuck it. And to install it back in, just have to twist it. I want to show you guys the difference. That's a LASFit bulb compared to a cheap generic bulb. Huge difference in light output with far less LEDs. Well, there you go, guys. Quick and easy mod. Thank you, the guys down at LASFit, for sending me down to try out. I already like the difference on them. Like I said, I've had other LED bulbs in there, and the light output wasn't that good. But right, it's one of those things that Ford should have done. I don't know why they didn't, but thanks to the guys at LASFit, it's a simple mod. If you want to get your own, like I said, I'll put a link in the description. It's only about a $15 bulb. It's just a little bit more expensive than some of the other bulbs on the market, but the light output and the construction of this thing is so much better than anything else I've seen. So it's a worthwhile upgrade. So guys, give it a try. If you have a Raptor, if you have an F-150, it's one of those things where you want to get it done so it completes the look right. Everything else on this truck is LED. Why aren't those guys LED? Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you guys on the next one.